Hello everyone, myself Maksud MD from 5th SEM JM University. Today, our SCCF topic is personal portfolio website using AWS. In this, we are going to discuss how to create a personal portfolio and how to host in AWS. Coming to introduction, uh, first of all, these are our teammates. Next, we are moving to introduction. Uh, Here I will presenting my project on building and hosting a personal portfolio website using AWS Amazon Web Service. A portfolio website is basically a digital platform where we can showcase our profile, skill, projects, and achievements. Instead of the traditional resume, a portfolio gives a more interactive and visuals appealing representation. In today's digital world, having an online presence is extremely important. A portfolio helps in personal branding and make it easy for a recruiters or a clients to understand our work. To host this website, I use AWS because it offers a scalable, secure, and cost-effective cloud hosting. It is reliable and widely used across the industry. So, in this project, I created a portfolio website and hosted in it. Uh, for hosting S3 bucket system, we will use. Next, our main problem statement is many students do not have a personal portfolio or next professional online identity. Uh, Most of us rely only on the resume, which has limitations. A traditional resume cannot display the interactive content like animation, project, demos, and links. These reduce the chance of making a strong impression. So the implement was a clear. We need a personal portfolio website. We need to host it online and it must be accessible globally using the cloud hosting. To solve this, I use a AWS S3 static website hosting. S3 allows us to upload our static HTML, CSS, JavaScript file and host them online without any server management. Uh, Thank you. Next will be continued by another teammate.
Hello everyone, I am Mohammed Junaid. So I am going to explain the objective slide. The objective of this project was to design and deploy a complete personal portfolio website using Amazon S3. So this includes designing a clean and attractive portfolio website that represents personal details professionally, adding essential sections such as about education skills, projects, certification, and contact. So next, in the next, our objective was deploying the website on S3, AWS S3, which provides scalable and cost-effective static hosting, conferring bucket permission and enabling public access so that anyone around the world can view the website. So our fifth objective was to ensuring the website is fully functional and accessible through the S3 generated public URL. In short, our objective was to build a professional online identity and host it using AWS S3 with proper permission and static website hosting. Next, we come to the methodology. In methodology, we have our first development methodology to create the actual website. HTML was used to build the structure of the web page. CSS was used for design, styling, responsiveness, and animations. The website include all major sections about me, education, skills, projects, certifications, contact information. This step ensured the website looked clean, responsive, and well organized. AWS hosting methodology will be explained by next.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Ran. Today I am going to explain methodology AWS hosting steps. So first one is logged in to AWS console. I begin by signing in to the AWS management console, which is the main platform for accessing all cloud services. Next step is created a unique S3 bucket. Next, S3 bucket to store my website file. Each bucket name must be unique because S3 works globally. And next up is disabled block public access. Since website must be publicly viewable, I turned off the block public access setting to allow user to access the file. And next step is upload index.html, style.css and images. I upload my website file including HTML page, CSS style sheet, and the image used in the site. And next step is enable static website hosting. I enabled the static website hosting option inside the S3 bucket so that AWS can serve my file as a website. And next step is added bucket policy for public access. I added a bucket policy that gives read only access to the public. This ensure anyone can load the website without authentication. Next, last step is test using the S3 website URL. AWS provides a website endpoint link. I opened this link in the browser to confirm that the site was working correctly. Next step. So this is implementation steps. The tools we have used is HTML and CSS were used to design the protocol structure and styling. AWS S3 was used as the hosting platform for storing and delivering the website files. AWS bullet policy was used to manage access permissions. Here key action, I confirmed the S3 bucket with the required setting, update the public access rules and uploaded all the static files. After enabling static hosting, the website loads successfully using the S3 public URL. This confirms the implementation was completed. Thank you. Start.
Hello everyone, I am Khadar Gosanu. I am explaining the results of our project. So we successfully hosted the portfolio website on the AWS S3 and it is now available online through the S3 public endpoints. So all the pages and the sections of the portfolio load correctly without any errors. And this also confirms that the development is stable, scalable and completely serverless. Overall, the result shows that we are able to apply cloud hosting concepts effectively and achieve a smooth, reliable deployment at the end. Coming to the conclusion, so to conclude, this project help us understand and implement the cloud-based web hosting using the AWS S3, and we learn how to work with the storage buckets, configure the permissions, manage the public access settings, and also enabling the static web hosting. And we also learn how AWS S3 proved to be a very practical and cost-efficient solution to our problem. So most importantly, this project gave us the real hands-on experience with deploying the websites on the cloud, which also strengthens both my technical skills also and my understanding of modern web development. Thank you. So this is our final result. So this is how we implemented the personal website. So this is the starting page. These are all about the passion about the technologies. This is about the academic journey, and this is the technical expertise of our technical skills, soft skills, tools and the technologies, and what are the what projects we have done, and the roles and the responsibilities, and what are the hobbies, and lastly the contact. If you want to contact, you can connect with us. Thank you.